Nongelam kaliang persya ubadeiru Menteri Rangba Barim Gajila Dr Mukul sangma hakalai potrik nailar ula Byrthen bantok sya Menteri Rangba du kari Narendra Modi bandawa le AA halor ka jingkno bakaseng National People's Party NPP kabayalam ya ka sorkar kala pyndonkam daga pisa beain lingba drok ba dewiong kani kalawan long shisngi hadin ba usimbut Menteri Rangba Kajila ubadiru State President ke NPP uba Preston Tensong ulokop ya kaliang persya TMC bakon ujor dak ejahar halor ka jikno jongka Congress baka NPP kala pyndonkam dak pisa bean ban bethong banthit ya ki MLA na kiway pat kiseng san perthei la ban kedau bahaga katan real trik nailar u President ke MPCC uba Vincent H Pala ula keno ya ke NPP halor ka jing pyndonkam dak pisa bean belayo lumling ba udrok jing ti dewiong bat ki kam kontrak na kabenta ban penkut no ya kiway pat kiseng san perthei habakan tho ya ka jing kren jong uba Preston halor ka jing dawa jong ka TMC ban penlong jing tokit halor ka ni kapang mukul ong ba ulale ya ka kam ka badai ban le da ka bakentu ya barok ki ar party NPP bat Congress bakin kit kli na marka de ka jing keno ka bakya shibun Henry ladakim dan jingkit kli ngahap ban tho sya Menteri Rangba du bakini ki de ki jing keno bat ru ban shimkya ban le ai halor ka ni ong Dr Mukul
allegation of money coming from illegal drug cartel and etc., then you got to be very careful. You are witness to the number of news items being carried by the media over instances of huge quantity of drugs being seized off and on across Northeast, the value of which are in astronomical figures, not just 1 crore, 2 crore, 5 lakh, 10 lakhs, 100 crore, 200 crore, 400 crore. That means a big cartel is operating on these. And if such big cartels are operating in Northeast, this criminality is not confined in Northeast. Therefore, Government of India have to take cognizance of this huge allegation. It cannot be just an allegation and then the one who come with allegations keeps quiet. If he has come up with an allegation, he also should proceed further. I am only asking them to be responsible. I am asking both the parties to be responsible. And that is my job. And if they are not responsible, I have to write to Prime Minister. I have to write to Prime Minister that these are the allegations, please take cognizance and take action. Yes, I'll wait and see. If they don't do, then that is the ultimate course of action, which will be something considered as my responsibility. Word of exchange of these words and allegations and counter allegations, or whatever you call them, or however you refer to their conversation, is between the Congress President and the NPP, not between us. I am asking them, if there has been allegation, they have to prove that the allegations are false. Doesn't he understand what I mean? They have to prove that the allegations coming from the President of the Pradesh Congress Committee, the ex-MP, Sri Vincent H. Pala, is wrong. They have to prove that. Or they have to take head on to confront him and to prove themselves that they are not. Yes, that's what is how the interpretation of law will be. So I don't get trapped by this rhetoric. It is their responsibility to prove that the allegations coming from none other than the President of Pradesh Congress Committee, State Pradesh Congress Committee, is false. That's their job. We have a system of self-governance. We also have the customary laws and traditional practices, which is part and parcel of our traditional customs and practices, and which has withstood the test of time. If there is an allegation in the village level, then if the allegations are false, then the one who throws such false allegation is required to attend the court of our local traditional courts. That's how the law operates. You understand? So similar law, the principle of law is same, not only in respect of our traditional laws. So he has to understand the magnitude of this allegation. Is it not a serious allegation? It is necessary for government of India to take cognizance of this allegation. You know why? You know why? Because the issue of illegal coal mining, coal mining is not a state subject. Okay? Therefore, government of India also must take cognizance. Any violation of law under the section 21 of MMDR Act 1957 is cognizable offence. So cognizable offence means cognizable offence. Who is going to act upon this mandate of law and be honest to their responsibilities vis-a-vis the implementation of the enforcement of the law? So therefore, these things are not something which should be just taken as the rhetoric coming out only for political reasons. No, we take it seriously. We have a review with the state government. The state government and the implementing departments already have number of such complaints, under their domain, under their custody. You see, please remember that the implementation of JJM involves stakeholders. Therefore, it's not easy to investigate and really find out what exactly has happened. You have the village water and sanitation committee, and you have the district water and sanitation committee, of which the deputy commissioners are the chairman. So, for whatever reason, if there are irregularities in respect of implementation, all these officers will be responsible, accountable, including the committee members. You see? So, therefore, how things have been manipulated, how, the whole modus operandi have been scripted will be, a matter of great research. You can probably have something which will probably surprise you, how well they can script such modus operandi and still get, award after award, claiming that Meghalaya was the best in as far as the implementation of JJM is concerned in the whole country. So, yeah, that means they are master in documenting.